really good player, but also one of the youngest players. Both these boys from FC Goa are very young, and the header and the goal, a very simple, almost casual set piece routine over there as the ball is crossed in, and he sneaks in that goal at the far post. It is 1-0 to FC Goa.
Ben07 did not see this coming, 400% sure, because
forced into a save of any note, and Afnan looking to change that though. He's got Ronaldo at the edge of the box and Pele. He's got the opening and goes for goal. That is an incredible shot. Afnan taking the shot from a very tight angle on the weaker foot of Pele, using the apology celebration. That seems to be a theme for the FC Goa boys. Yeah, and taking his time now. I think now he's in a pretty comfortable position. Looking for that ball in. He has Mbappe, takes the shot, and it is 3. That is brilliant. Afnan is absolutely tearing it up today. Don't apologize for that, son. That has been from his teammate as well. And he will have his own corner as well. SC East Bengal, of course, have been one of the kings of the set piece. Now with Mbappe, can't quite get the cross in. He's got Pele in there. Now Eusebio has to turn and take that shot, and he does. I think that took a slight deflection on the way in, but an excellent time for SC East Bengal to get that goal back going in. Now only 2 goals down at the stroke of half-time.
So might as well go for a try. Maybe miss out on a couple of chances, but maybe the 4th and 5th will connect. But looking at how he's going in,
Ben07 hasn't been given a lot of the ball. I think that's been a part of the effort. There you go. Great pressing again from Afnan. And now he's got that 2v2. He's got Ronaldo. He's got Pele in there. Surely has to take the shot, and he does. It's as easy as that for Afnan Amin. And he gets his goal. It is 4-1 FC Goa. Playing in a LAN environment in the EISL is just so completely different. It's mentally you prepare yourself completely differently. The input delay and everything is very different, and a bit of a physics fail over there, you would have to say, for FC Goa rather. And Ben07 able to capitalize, and still it's not over. It's 4-2 with 20 minutes to play. So the job isn't done yet. Ben07 still clinging on in this game, and if he can somehow grab a goal against all odds, and he might just, and he has, it is 3-4. Could the comeback be on, and will Afnan ever smile again is the question. I think he's going to be looking back at the footage and saying, why did I smile, man? Why did I smile? I've gone through this entire tournament without smiling, and it's been working great. Still trying to attack. He desperately wants that goal and has the opportunity now with Ronaldo. Don't overthink it. Take the shot, and that surely is the game for Afnan. Huge sigh of relief. A shake of the head to, sort of showing his disappointment that he let his opponent back into the game. But
this game, it's almost over. Even if SC East Bengal managed to score 1, the game is done already at this particular point. But
what's going on? Oh my goodness!
It has gone in! Oh god! What did we sign up for, Azim? This is one of the goals that should have never happened, but here it is. EISL drama is boiling up.
Yeah, that's probably the comedy goal of the tournament. It's the goalkeeper taking out 2 players and the defender taking out a defender. It's just absolutely...